Hey you guys, it's Miss Sanderlin and I'm going to talk to you about the expectations for this assignment. So you're going to be completing a density gizmos assignment and you'll find that in your day 2 folder in your lesson 7 folder. So what you're first going to do is go to Clever by clicking this link. You'll log in as a student. I'm going to log in as a teacher. And go to Mr. Urkel's page. And then go to Gizmos. Once you're in Gizmos, you'll be able to see all of the gizmos that have been assigned to you. Go to Density Experiment Slice and Dice, and then hit Launch Gizmo. You should get to a screen like this, and once you get to this screen, go ahead and go back and open up your assignment sheet. So with this assignment, you have some prior knowledge questions that I'm asking you to complete, and then you have the questions that go with the actual gizmo. So for the warm-up, you'll select the material that they ask you to select and you'll slice it or you won't slice it depending on your instructions, and answer some questions about density and what you think is going to happen and what actually happened. And then in the second part, you're doing a similar thing to the warm-up, but you're calculating your density and entering it into the table down here. Make sure that you are using correct measurements and labels. And when you are forming a hypothesis about what's going to happen, use your if, then, because statements. That is very important. Analyze what you notice about the density, click reset, and do it again, and calculate your mass, volume, and your density. Explain what changed. In the second activity, it's similar to the first one, except different material, and you're seeing if it's going to sink or float. Then you're doing some applications on some unknown materials and using density. Please make sure that you are answering every part of every question. Make sure that you are answering all of the questions. If you are confused or you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to send me an email and ask me for help. I'll be around all day. I should be able to give you some help. And that's it. That is what you have to do for the day. So once you're done, turn it in and you're golden. That's it. Good luck.